Not yet. You wait in October. Wait in October, wait in December. Water levels at increase above the levels everyone used to know. Reason, the rich people are turning the tributaries into their own homesteads. I repeat, the rich people are turning river tributaries into their homesteads. Rich people are turning river tributaries into their own homesteads, forcing the water to where they are not supposed to be. What will happen? It is going to threaten the whole world. The water increase is going to threaten the whole world. It is not all about you've been fearing nuclear weapons, fearing wars. This time, even those with guns, even some barracks will be affected by the floods, by the water. And after this, we shall experience the heat that will come from under the ground, which will kill almost 1 million of people in only 2 days. I repeat the statement. After these water levels, there will come heat from under the ground, which will kill almost 1 million of people in only 2 days. I repeat the statement. Some people said, from pastor to prophet reverend, now let me tell you the secret. Because no one knows how I was called. No one knows why all this